Differentiate y equals to exponent x divided with 1 plus ln x with respect to x. Differentiate y with respect to x, we're going to get dy dx equals to, and for this function, we are going to use quotient rules because we have two different functions in terms of quotient. vu prime minus uv prime divided with v squared. V, which is 1 plus ln x, differentiate exponent x is exponent x minus exponent x, which is the u, and differentiate 1 plus ln x, we're going to get 1 over x divided with v squared, which is 1 plus ln x squared. Let us factorize exponent x. And we're going to get 1 plus ln x minus 1 over x divided with 1 plus ln x squared. These we need to equalize the denominator. One times with x, which is x plus ln x times with x is x ln x minus 1 over with x, and we may write down 1 over x here like this, divide with 1 plus ln x squared. So since it is a double fractions, so we may write down this as exponent x, x plus x ln x minus 1 divide with x 1 plus ln x squared. We can also factorize x and x here by writing x 1 plus ln x minus 1 divide with x 1 plus ln x squared.